Anybody? Barely. Tell me the definition of bellboy. Please, louder. Bellboy is? Yeah, you. No, nothing there. You cannot? Okay, Fahmi. Fahmi, could you help me to tell me what the definition of the bellboy is? So, Fahmi just taught us the definition of the bellboy is, what is that, Fahmi? Can you say to us again the definition of the bellboy?
Bellboy is a person who helps the guest for handling his or her luggage on arrival and departure at the hotel.
Okay, good. So we can hear that. So everybody knows about the definition of the bellboy already. Okay, let's see about the duties and responsibility of a bellboy. Right? So everybody can mention, to see the duties and responsibility of the bellboy. Right. The first thing is uploading and loading the luggage. Uploading and loading the luggage means is when the guests come to the hotel, and then of course the doorman is the first staff who approaching the guest and then asking for the luggage. Yeah. That's the thing after the doorman finished to handle the guest, and then the doorman let the guest into the lobby, and then that's the part of the bellboy to handle the guests. And then that's the time when he's uploading and loading the luggage, mean the bellboy should take care of the guest luggage to bring to the reception. Okay. Then after that, when the guest finish to registration or check-in in the front office, and then that's the time again that the bellboy should take care the guest luggage and also to assist the guests to their room. Do you have any question for me?
Yes.
Okay, what's your question?
Could you tell me example of arranging transportation?
Arranging a transportation. Okay, the question is, can I tell Fahmi the sample of to arranging the transportation? The transportation mostly of the guests use is taxi. So taxi is something like same like a public transportation, and also as we are popular at this time is travel, yeah, travel. So to arrange the transportation, most of the guests using for the tour, something like mini tour, city tour, something like that, or they would like to go to the mall or to the thrift store or to buy something like that, or they would like to visit the nice location for the city, like when the guests around the Lembang, they would like to floating market, something like that. Maybe that is my answer. Is that good? Is there okay, Fahmi?
Thank you, sir.
Good, thank you. Good question.
Good morning, miss. Welcome to our hotel. My name is Peggy. How can I help you?
Morning, Fanny. I want to book a room. Can you escort me to the door to Paris?
Of course, miss. Could I pick up your luggage?
Yes, please.
Follow me, please. Well, miss, this is our strength.
Bellboy, would you please come here? Would you kindly help the guest to get to her room, please?
Yes, of course.
Okay, you can just follow the
Miss,
bellboy.
are you ready to go to room?
Yes, I'm ready.
Alright. In this way, please. Follow me. Well, miss, here, 1, 2, 3 room. Your room, is it right?
Yes, it is. Can you check my room first? Here's the key card.
Sure, I will check it for you. Well, miss, your room is ready. Come in, please. Would you like me me to explain the room facilities, Miss?
Yes, go ahead.
Alright, let's start from here. Well, Miss, this is master suite for the power. Put your key card here and the power will be on. If you want to leave the room, please take your key card from here. Here is luggage rack for keeping your luggage. And beside the luggage, you will find wardrobe. It's for placing your clothes, and there are some hangers and laundry bag. Over there, air conditioner. You can adjust by remote control. Here is safe deposit box for keeping your valuable things. And we provide television and mini bars, some snacks and soft drink available there. The last is your bathroom. There are so many things inside like towels, shampoo and soap, and many more. We also provide shower with hot and cold water. Did you follow me?
Yes, of course, I did.
Is there anything else I need for you, Miss?
No, I think it's enough. Thank you so much for your explanation.
It's my pleasure. We hope you enjoyed to study with us. Have a nice day.
Everyone, our subject today is receptionist. As I explained before, that the receptionist is a part of the hotel department, and the duties of the receptionist is hanging there. Okay, let's just read the receptionist, the definition of receptionist. Everybody, you can just read also. I'll try to read by myself. Receptionist is a person with the accurate and specific ability, experience, knowledge, qualification, or training and skill to perform the role of a receptionist within a hotel according to the job description and job person specification. That's too long. I know that when I explained to you before, that not too long like this, but yeah, now it's more better, so you can more understand what the receptionist is. Hotel receptionist duties and responsibility. The first one is greet, yeah, not greet. There are G-R-E-E-T and G-R-E-I-T. Greet hotel guests, answer any question and concern. Concern itu diperhatikan. Provide an outstanding guest experience. Provide an outstanding. Outstanding itu berarti ya lebih lah gitu. Jadi berikan mereka outstanding yang pengalaman yang lebih atau yang lebih bermanfaat gitu. Maintain an orderly front desk. Maintain apa? Memelihara orderly front desk, ya, orderly, order yang buat di front desk itu ya kita harus pelihara, jadi jangan sampai kita miss ataupun ketika kita mau memerlukan kembali akhirnya kita tidak menemukan. Seperti itu mungkin bahasa Indonesianya. Operate computer program and multi-line phone system, jelas ya. The front office guys, the front office staff should be dengan benar-benar mengerti dari komputer, jelas yang ada hubungannya dengan Microsoft Office, termasuk mungkin ya semua dari program di sana. Tapi ketika bikin surat, letter, mail, mungkin kita yang membikinnya lewat Microsoft Office, utamanya di Microsoft Word atau Excel, itu terserah. That's the meaning of this subject for the operate computer program and multi-line phone system. Kalau telepon mungkin tidak ada yang bisa membuat jadi susah. Thank you very much. It's nice question, Berlin. Anybody else? No? Okay, I think just enough for today. Thank you for coming, and then I'll see you tomorrow. be prepared for everything, okay? Mostly for the test, ujian. That's all. Thank you, sir. And now our next session is dialogue.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel. My name is Wati. How may I help you, madam?
Good afternoon. I'd like to check in, please.
Check in. Did you have any reservation before?
No, I didn't.
Okay. What kind of room would you like, madam?
What type of room do you have?
We have deluxe room, superior room, and suite room. Which would you like?
What facility do I get for a deluxe room?
Deluxe room. So you will get a double bed, and then TV, and then AC, mini bars, dressing table, and of course your closet.
Great.
Okay. And may I know how many nights would you like to stay with us?
I'd like to stay for 2 nights.
2 nights. And how many person that will stay with us?
It's just 2 of us.
2 of us. Okay, just wait a moment. I will check the room first. Alright. The room is available, madam.
For a deluxe room, what the price for the
So it's 550,000 rupees, including VAT. So it will be 1,100,000 for 2 nights. Is it alright?
Is breakfast included the price?
Yes, your breakfast is included and served in our restaurant.
Oh, good. I'll check that.
Okay. So would you mind filling this certificate form?
Can you help me to fill out the form?
Oh, sure. And may I borrow your ID card?
Okay, please wait a moment.
Here's ID card. Thank you very much. May I know your phone number?
It's 08323 222 008.
So are you in company?
Oh no, I'm just personal.
So based on our hotel rules, you have to pay in advance for your first night. So it will be 550,000 rupees. Is it alright?
Okay? It's okay.
Okay. And how much? How would you like to pay for that, madam?
I'll pay with the cash.
Cash. Okay, let me find your money first. Okay, the money is correct. Thank you. And so, are you on holiday, madam?
Yes, I'm in holiday with my friends.
Oh, it's going to be great.
Thank you.
And where will you be working to?
I will be parting to Singapore.
Singapore. Oh, it must be nice.
Thank you very much.
And do you have any special request?
Yes, I want swimming pool views.
Swimming pool views. Alright, just wait a moment. I will check the room again. Alright, the room is still available, madam?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, is there anything else?
No.
Okay, now you repeat your order. You have booked a room, the last room for 2 people, and then from 5th November to 2nd November, and your payment method is cash, and your special request is swimming pool views. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Could you sign over here, please? Okay, thank you very much. So, this is your key card. Your room number is 201. And this is your guest card. And you can show this card to use all the hotel facilities. And this is your breakfast coupon. You can have your breakfast by showing this card in our restaurant. And this is your cash receipt as a proof that you have done the advance payment.
Okay.
Did you have any question?
Okay, where is the fitness center?
Fitness center. Okay, it's on the 3rd floor. And you can just take the lift. And as you come out of the lift, it's on your right.
Oh,
Is there anything else I may do for you?
no, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy your stay in our hotel. And available, we'll escort you to your room. Thank you
yang akan kita pelajari hari ini pengertiannya orang yang bertanggung jawab untuk menyiapkan dan menyediakan pelayanan sambungan telepon yang masuk kepada orang yang dituju. Jadi ini yang kita bicarakan di sini adalah telepon operator untuk tempat-tempat resmi, ya. Berbeda dengan ketika Anda menerima telepon dengan telepon pribadi, ya. Misalnya Anda menerima telepon di rumah. Di sini ada yang masih punya telepon biasa di rumah? Telepon apa namanya yang? Atau Anda tidak mengenal telepon rumah? Karena saya lihat ketika praktek pun ada beberapa yang kita kudu kumahakeun gitu, ya. Diantepkeun we. Bari teh itu disadawanya udah mau itu diangkat udah mau di sana, ya. Karena Anda terbiasa dengan memegang handphone, jadi yang Anda terbayang oleh Anda telepon itu hanya seperti handphone saja gitu, ya. Nah, sedangkan kalau di telepon operator bentuk teleponnya berbeda dengan yang kita pakai sehari-hari. Jadi Anda harus mampu menguasai bagaimana cara menerima telepon yang masuk, ya. Kemudian membuka saluran telepon bila ada tamu atau karyawan yang ingin melakukan panggilan telepon keluar. Jadi telepon operator itu dia punya alat yang namanya switchboard, ya. Nanti saya tunjukkan gambarnya. Jadi dengan alat itu dia menyambungkan kalau misalnya ada tamu atau karyawan yang ingin menelpon keluar. Ini kondisinya kalau tidak ada HP, ya. Jadi hanya ada telepon itu saja, telepon yang seperti yang biasa kita waktu praktek, telepon inter apa namanya? Jadi dia hanya bisa menyambungkan dari satu ruangan ke ruangan lain dan hanya tidak bisa mobiling, tidak bisa dibawa ke mana-mana si HP-nya, gitu, teleponnya. Nah, jadi ini kalau ada tamu yang ingin menelpon keluar, dia harus meminta bantuan kepada petugas ini, ya. Itu pengertiannya. Oke, any question? Ya, Ervan.
Nama saya Ervan. Izin bertanya, Bu.
Ya.
Kan tadi di slide ya ada tugas dan tanggung jawab telepon operator.
Oke.
Ada poin itu melaksanakan aturan hotel bila mendapat ancaman bom lewat telepon. Nah, itu Bu bagaimana cara membedakan antara ancaman bom yang benar-benar ancaman dan ancaman bom yang main-main gitu, Bu? Karena memang mungkin sulit membedakannya gitu. Jadi untuk telepon operator tuh bisa membedakannya seperti apa?
Ya.
Mungkin seperti itu pertanyaannya, Bu. Terima kasih.
Oke. Sebenarnya sekarang untuk hotel-hotel tidak pernah mengabaikan telepon yang isinya ancaman ada bom, baik itu berupa main-main ataupun serius, ya. Jadi mereka tidak pernah, pokoknya setiap ada telepon yang mengatakan halo, saya sudah menyimpan bom di ruang di pabrik di restroom misalnya. Saya sudah menyimpan bom di kamar mandi pria. Nah, memang kita secara meskipun fungsi pendengaran kita bagus ataupun kurang bagus, kita tidak bisa membedakan ini serius atau tidak. Seorang ahli psikolog pun tidak bisa menentukan ini teh orang bisa serius atau main-main. Hanya kita biasanya pihak hotel tidak pernah mengabaikan sekecil apapun ancaman itu gitu. Jadi mereka berpikir lebih baik kami capek memeriksa daripada harus hancur karena kehilangan gitu, ya. Karena selama ini seperti yang dialami oleh Hotel Ritz-Carlton yang di Jakarta, kemudian yang di Bali, ya, itu kan sampai ratusan orang meninggal, itu karena memang mengabaikan, ya, karena mereka menganggap mungkin di Indonesia gitu, ya. Tapi ternyata kan setelah kejadian di Bali dan di Jakarta, akhirnya semua hotel mereka tidak lagi menganggap main-main. Meskipun, jadi mereka setiap mendengar ada telepon ancaman itu, mereka langsung security langsung menelpon ke kepolisian.
Good morning, Horizon Hotel. Adele speaking. Can I help you? Alright. In just a moment, please. I will connect you to your reservation room. Good morning, Horizon Hotel. Adele speaking. Can I help you?
Morning. I want a reservation. Can you help me?
Of course. May I know what type of room do you want? We have deluxe room, superior room, and suite room. Which one do you like?
Can you explain me about the facilities in the deluxe room?
Alright, in our deluxe room we have double bed, air conditioner, minibar, and bedroom with the bathtub.
Alright. And then how much for the deluxe room?
Deluxe room is 1 million rupiah per night.
I think I will choose one deluxe room for 2%. Can I?
Alright, and can I know when will you come in our hotel?
I think I will come to your hotel at 7 November.
And for how many nights? Alright, just a moment please, I will check it first. Alright ma'am, your room request is available. And can I know your full name?
My full name is Lina Marlina.
Can I know what transportation will you use to come in our city?
I think I will come to your city with airplane.
And can I know what transportation will you use to come to our hotel?
I think I don't know. Maybe can you help me?
Of course, we have pickup service.
Oh, I think I will choose your pickup service.
Yeah, of course. Can I know your flight number?
Of course, my flight number is G123.
And when will you come to the airport?
I think I will arrive in the airport at 7 p.m.
Alright, our crew will pick up you to the airport at 7 p.m. Okay, thank you. And can I know your company name?
I am come from company. I come as personal.
Alright. Can I know your address?
At Kertabumi number 36.
And your telephone number, please?
My number phone is 08211732096
Alright, I will repeat your phone number. 08211732096. Is this right? Alright. And can I know what kind of payment will you use?
I think I will choose with cash. Can I?
Yeah, of course. And do you have any special request?
Yes, of course. I want extra belongs and beauty devotion.
Alright, ma'am, I will repeat your order. Reservation for Nina Marlina, one deluxe room for 7 November until 9 November. Your special request is extra pillow, view to the ocean, and pickup service from airport at 7 p.m.
Yes, is that correct?
I think that's all. Thank you for calling, ma'am. I will send confirmation letter to your message, and I'm looking forward to you to come in our hotel.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. How's you feeling today? Okay, sip, good. Okay, for our material today is about laundry section. Ya, untuk laundry section ini, Anda akan belajar how to be a valet, ya. Jadi tidak semua profesi dalam laundry akan Anda pelajari karena itu lebih membutuhkan waktu yang panjang. Jadi Anda akan khususkan untuk laundry valet. Nah, di laundry section ini dulu kalau di bahasa Indonesianya laundry itu adalah binatu, ya, bahasa Indonesianya. Nah, Binatu itu sebenarnya sejarahnya awal asal katanya dari kata batu. Kenapa de awal kata batu? Karena zaman dulu orang Indonesia kalau nyuci di sungai dan beralaskan batu. Dan bahkan waktu itu belum ada deterjen, belum ada sabun, jadi mereka membanting-bantingkan cuciannya ke batu. Nah, karena lama-kelamaan kalau orang Indonesia kan kalau ngobrol suka pakai sisipan-sisipan, ya. Akhirnya dikasih kata sisipan bin, jadi bin natu. Kayak kalau di orang Sunda hese jadi hararese, ya. Beli tahunya banyak, tararahu. Nah, itu sisipannya, gitu, ya. Nah, jadi ini juga awal katanya dari kata batu mengandung sisipan, dikasih sisipan in jadi binatu. Atau istilah lain dalam bahasa Indonesia istilahnya adalah dobi. Ya, dobi dengan binatu itu sama, artinya laundry. Hanya sekarang lebih familiar di orang-orang awam, lebih kenalnya ke laundry, ya. Jadi jarang menggunakan kata binatu, ya. Ada juga menggunakan istilah washery. Kalau misalnya ada satu perusahaan binatu yang sudah tua di Tasikmalaya, ini istilahnya namanya washery. Artinya sebenarnya binatu juga, laundry juga. Hanya ini dari bahasa Belanda, ya. Bahasa Inggrisnya laundry. Oke. Nah, pengertiannya di sini kita membicarakan laundry yang ada di hotel, ya, bukan laundry umum yang sekarang sedang booming di masyarakat. Kalau yang sedang di masyarakat sekarang yang booming kan yang laundry kiloan, ya, yang 1 kilonya 7.000, 5.000 atau 6.000 gitu, ya. Nah, sedangkan kalau di hotel itu per piece, per satu buah, jadi tidak menggunakan sistem kiloan. Pengertiannya di sini berada di bagian housekeeping, bertugasnya bertanggung jawab atas pencucian semua linen, baik itu house laundry maupun guest laundry. Linen bahasa Indonesianya lena. Ya, lena itu semua fasilitas yang ada di hotel yang terbuat dari kain. Contoh seperti sheet, spray, sarung bantal, pillowcase, towel, handuk. Pokoknya semua yang terbuat dari kain itu namanya linen, termasuk curtain, hordeng, ya. Nah, di situ baik itu house laundry maupun guest laundry. House laundry itu laundry yang melayani untuk kebutuhan internal hotel, misalnya handuk, spray dan yang lainnya milik hotel, tetapi dicucikan oleh laundry hotel itu sendiri. Kalau guest laundry berarti cucian tamu. Oke, itu untuk materi hari ini.
Laundry service. Laundry service.
Yes. Wait a moment, please.
Good morning, sir. I'm Arini. I'm from laundry service. I have one call from order taker that you have laundry. Is it correct?
Yes. That's correct. Come in, please. Yeah. Here is the laundry, please.
Okay, I'm late. Okay, I will check your laundry, sir.
Yes.
This is your shirt. No button off. No torn.
Yeah.
The condition is good.
All right.
This is your t-shirt.
Yeah.
No torn. The condition is good.
All right. Thank you.
And this is your jeans. toilet is okay? Nothing in the pocket. The condition is good, and all condition is good.
Oh, thank you.
I will enter the laundry.
Of course.
Okay, sir. What kind of process would you like, sir?
All right. May I know what kind of service would you like?
We have washing,
Uh-huh.
dry cleaning, and press only.
Oh. I think I would like to washing.
Okay. Your process is washing.
Yeah.
And what kind of service would you like, sir? In our hotel, we have 3 service:
Oh.
regular service, express service, and special service.
All right. And could you tell me about kind of your service?
Okay. Regular service. If you want to use regular service, your laundry will be delivered tomorrow at some time.
Oh. Yeah.
The price is normal price with 21 tax and service. And if you want to express service, your laundry will be delivered today at 6 p.m. with 50 additional charge and 21% tax and service.
Oh.
And if you want to use special service, the laundry will be delivered within 2 hours with 100 charge and 21% tax and service. So which one would you like, sir?
I would like to choose express service.
And your service is express service.
Yeah.
And what kind of finishing would you like, sir?
Oh, I would like to folding.
Folding?
Yeah.
Okay. I will repeat your laundry, sir.
Yeah.
Your laundry is 1 shirt, 1 t-shirt,
Right.
1 jeans,
Hmm.
and with washing process
Yes.
and express service and finishing with folding.
Yeah.
Is there anything else, sir?
No, I think is that enough.
Okay. Could you sign open yours, sir?
Alright.
Sir, thank you. Sir, I will take and process the laundry. Your laundry will finishing today at 6 p.m.
Alright, thank you. Thank you for your service.
Okay, sir. Have a nice day.
Alright, have a nice day.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.